Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be recreating this makeup look which is inspired by none other than Deepika Padukone from her Femina Beauty Awards 2020 makeup look. Now the main focus of this look was her bold brows and the bronzed eyes, and to recreate this makeup look I'm gonna be using all the Chambor products that I have. Now unfortunately the lipstick she is wearing, I couldn't find anything close to this shade, so I'm rolling with whatever I have. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started. So the makeup products are sent to me by Chambor, but this video is not a sponsored video at all. Now I'm starting off with a mattifying primer. Now the formula of this primer is so different, but it's so amazing. It's hydrating but mattifying at the same time. Now to mimic that glowy and dewy looking skin, I'm gonna be using a skin illuminator underneath my foundation, and after applying it I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. Now I'm gonna let it sit for a minute or two, and then I will move on to the foundation. Now the foundation is a little too yellow for my preference, and it's very thick in consistency, and I'm again mixing the illuminator with this foundation and applying it all over my face. Then I'm using a damp beauty sponge to blend it nicely, and this foundation has a very good coverage, so I'm not gonna use any concealer today. So I'm gonna use a second layer of foundation wherever I needed a little bit of coverage. So most of the time I need to hide my dark circles and my acne scars, and this hides everything beautifully, and the coverage it has, I didn't feel like using any concealer. Now I'm using a compact powder to lock down everything on place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge or my under eyes doesn't crease. Now she has a very beautiful bold bushy eyebrows, and I'm using a brow pencil just to fill in my gaps, and I already have very thick brows. Now this brow pencil has a spoolie on the other end, so it comes really handy when you are on the go and you are just filling in your brows and just using the spoolie to dispense the product. Moving on to the eyes. Now the eyes looked very sultry and eye-catching. It might look a bit difficult, but it's really easy to recreate, and today I'm just gonna use the eyeshadow. So it's very easy to recreate this eye makeup look. You just have to build up the color and then take a crease brush and just blend the edges so that it doesn't look too harsh. So here I'm taking a crease brush and just blending the edges so that it looks seamless and blended. Once that is done, I'm again taking the same eyeshadow crayon and just building up the color, and after that I'm gonna take the same brush and blend the edges. Now I'm taking a kajal to tightline my upper lash line. Now this one is the newest launch from Chambor. This is the Chambor Volumeyes mascara, and this is the first time I'm using it on my channel. This gives so much length, so much volume to your lashes. I'm sure you will love it. And don't forget to apply mascara on your bottom lashes as well. It will make your eyes look more opened up. So the lipstick she was wearing, I couldn't find anything like that in my makeup collection, so I have this shade. This is so beautiful, and this is a perfect nude for each and every Indian skin. So first I'm gonna use it, and then I'm gonna use the Chambor Bottle lipstick. I loved how the flower is embossed on top, and this is not only by name, the lipstick feels almost like butter, and the formula is so good. It's so hydrating, and if you have dry chapped lips, I would highly recommend this lipstick. Now I took the same Brique rose lipstick and I used it as a blush as I needed some color to my cheeks. Now she didn't have any heavy contouring going on her face, so I just used a little bit of color to my cheeks, and that's it. So while applying it on my cheeks, I applied a little bit on my nose as well, so that my face has a little bit of color and it looks a little bit structured as well. Now she didn't have any blinding highlighter going on her face. It was a very soft, subtle glow on the highest points of her face, and to do that I'm using the same illuminator and I'm using it with a damp beauty sponge to get that beautiful subtle glow. And that's it, that's the finished look. I hope you guys find this video helpful and I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, definitely let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.